Hello friends, today we will understand two important legal concepts, novus actor intervenens and voluntary non-fit injuria. This concept often decides whether doctors is legally liable or not for their negligence. Novus actus intervenes refer to a situation where the doctor has been negligent but a completely unexpected and unforeseen act happened which further worsened the patient condition. It has two following features. First, the new act intervening should be completely unexpected and unforeseen, sometimes referred to as an act of God. Second, breaks the chain of causation between the act of negligence and resulting damage. Thus, injury no more remain a proximate cause of doctor's negligence. This figure shows concept of novus actus intervenens. Let's see an example. An MI patient is under doctor's care since long, telephones doctors that he is having severe chest pain. Doctor does not take him seriously and does not come to see him. Patient phone again and again, doctors continue to ignore. After a few hours, patient's wife phones that her husband's condition is worsened. Doctor panics, send an ambulance, instruct the driver to bring the patient back as fast as possible. The ambulance is coming back fast. It overturns, kill the patient. Wife sues doctor. In this scenario, doctors is indeed negligent, but death was not a proximate cause of negligence. It was overturning of ambulance, which is completely unexpected and unforeseen. Plea of novus actus intervenens may succeed. Voluntary non-fit injuria is a Latin word. It means to a willing person injury is not done. It is a legal doctrine which means that if someone willingly places himself in a position where harm might result, he will not able to bring a claim against the doctor. For example, if patient sustained radiation burns during therapy and he had earlier been explained about the risk with informed consent, he can't claim damage. novus actus intervenis and voluntary non-fit injury दोनों ही डॉक्टर नेग्लिजेंस केस में लाइबिलिटी डिसाइड करने का इम्पोर्टेंट प्रिंसिपल है. In a simple words, doctor is liable only when harm is direct result of his negligence. Kindly like, share, subscribe for more medical law and forensic medicine concept.